Hi guys, and welcome back to My Dank Dog. This is episode 1 of my purple punch grow. Let's get into it. Hi guys, before we get into it, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys, every subscriber, anybody who's liked, commented, given me advice. I do appreciate it. I'm learning from all of your comments, all of your advice, and all the information that you give me. I take on board, and obviously it's a great way to share with the community. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, give me a like, consider subscribing. Let's get into it. Recently, the guys at Grow Peaceful reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in growing 1 or 2 of their all-in-one grow buckets. I said yes, obviously. So after a quick conversation and me telling them that I wanted to grow something colourful, something purple, something a little bit different to what I'd grown in the past, they sent me 2 buckets, Purple Punch and Anvil. The Purple Punch flowering time is 9 weeks, which I think is about 63 days if my math is correct. And Anvil is a little bit longer with a flowering time of 70 to 80 days. But they're both autos, so the window is probably between 10 and 14 weeks. So these kind of like times that you see here are more of a kind of rough estimate depending on the lighting conditions, indoor, outdoor, etc, etc. The bucket comes with a bean taped to the underneath of the lid. You get 1 in a plastic vial, and the soil in the bucket is packed with all of the nutrients you need from seed to harvest. Basically, what you need to do is germinate the seed in the soil and water it with pH balanced water until harvest. My biggest decision was, which one do I grow first? So I put it to the vote, and you guys said 85% Purple Punch should go first, and that's cool by me. So I'm excited to get this one going. I checked out Purple Punch online and saw some images from other growers, and she looks beautiful. She looks like she's going to be a beautiful plant, so I'm eager to get this one going. Anvil can wait till a later date. I'm going to be growing her under the Spider Farmer Evo SF2000 grow lights, so fingers crossed she's going to be a winner. Let's get this one going. Let's get the show on the road. So as you can see, the bucket comes full of soil, and again, that's like a special secret KFC recipe of soil with all of the nutrients in there from seed to harvest. The bean is taped on the underside of the lid, and you get it in one of those traditional kind of little plastic vials. And I'm actually going to use that to create the hole in the soil. I need to create a kind of like 1/2 inch deep hole. So these are kind of perfect for doing that. Basically what I'm going to do is moisten the soil in the center of the bucket first, then make a hole with this little plastic vial and pop the bean in there. And then I'm just going to cover it up with a little bit of loose dirt from the corner. Nothing too big, no kind of like twigs or anything that would kind of hinder a shoot coming up. And then water again. So as you can see, I'm just going to push this little plastic vial into the soil here and create that kind of 1/2 inch deep hole. Pretty straightforward. And then I'm just going to place the bean in. Now I've done this before directly in the soil, but normally I would germinate a seed between 2 plates and in between like a dampened paper towel. But I'm following the directions that come with Grow Peaceful on their site and that other growers have done on their social media, just to make sure that I'm kind of doing the same as everybody else so that I can show you how easy it is. So we're just going to pop this seed in the hole directly in this special formula soil here, and then we're just going to cover it over with a little bit of soil just from the edge here, kind of like the dustier stuff, nothing too big. And then I'm just going to spray it again and moisten that soil to make sure that she is covered from the light. If you visit the Grow Peaceful website or social media and look into their soils, their grow buckets and their beans, and do decide to go forward with anything, then you can use my 10% off code, which is MyDankDog. That's my dank dog for 10% off anything on the Grow Peaceful site. The last thing that we're going to do here is use this homemade humidity dome, which I made from cutting the bottom of a transparent solo cup off. And that's basically just going to stop the moisture from evaporating or wicking away too quickly. As you can see, it's pretty much a wait and see moment now. Normally you see something within about 3 days, so super excited to see how this one goes forward. Again, guys, I really do appreciate all of you. I appreciate all of the likes, all of the comments, all of the advice. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks Grow Peaceful for the grow buckets, and thanks Spider Farmer for the SF2000 grow light setup. Bye bye.